it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
The Char-Broil Classic gas grill has all the features you need for a great tasting cookout, and all at an affordable price. No matches are needed with a piezo igniter. You can light all your burners with a simple push of a button. The stainless steel burners provide an even heat across the cooking surface. Porcelain-coated heat tents protect the burners and keep the heat focused where it should be, on your food. The durable porcelain coating on the cooking grates make them rust-resistant and easy to clean. With the Char-Broil Classic series, choose from 2, 3, and 4 burner options to suit all your grilling needs. The wide metal side shelves give you ample preparation space, and optional side burners are perfect for warming sauces and side dishes. And they're built to last with durable steel frame construction and large wheels that make it easy to move and store. With a 5-year burner warranty, you can feel confident preparing great tasting meals for the long haul. The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill is a smart and affordable choice to get your next cookout started.
What inspires us on the road? We know time is priceless, so we stick to the things that matter most. Reliability, quality, precise control, quick and easy start, even heat distribution to get us grilling in no time. We seek adventure. We travel. We connect with nature along the way. And we chase great flavors, always. From good meals to good times, we're driven by our passion for barbecue. We ride the open road with the wind in our hair. Our shared love of food deepens our bonds. With our friends and family, inspiring us to do our best every day. Our story starts here. Royal Gourmet. Light up your story.
These are the supplies you will need to season your griddle. First, wipe down your griddle with a damp towel. Next, fire up all your burners to high. Let the griddle sit for 10 to 15 minutes to heat up or until the griddle darkens. Once your griddle top is dark, you can add some oil. Use paper towels to spread the oil around. Remember to use caution when the griddle is on, as it can be very hot. We recommend using tongs or wearing protective gloves when seasoning your griddle. Make sure to get all the way around the griddle. The oil will eventually begin to smoke, which is good. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, but after the second or third time, your griddle should be pretty well seasoned. Once you've completed this process, you'll have the perfect griddling surface to get cooking on.